Party Pilipinas, maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. At abangan nyo po ang album ko at kami later this year. So sana po bumalik kayo ng copy ninyo. Maraming salamat. Lahat yung original OPM.
So yung kinanta mo, second song mo kanina will be included in your album. Yung kinanta mo kanina, makakasama ba siya doon sa album mo?
Yes, pero actually yung kantang yon, yung kinanta ko 3 Stars in the Sun, nilabas ko na siya online. Pwede nyo siyang i-download for free. Punta lang kayo sa www.superelmo.com. Makukuha nyo for free. Sana i-download nyo. Maraming salamat.
Okay. Siyempre, lahat ng tao dito, maraming fans ng Julie Elmo. Siyempre, gusto nilang malaman. What are you guys doing? Meron ba kayong ginagawang something or movie or project?
Meron kaming ginagawang, kumbaga parang, workshop, gano'n. So, hopefully in the future, meron
Okay. Alright. Nice to know that. Okay. And also invite them to watch us Sunday All-Star every Sunday.
Wala siya.
Sana manood kayo Sunday All-Stars every Sunday.
Anong team ka ba kasali?
Wala.
Actually, mag-guest ako doon, pero not really regular.
Okay. Alright, kasi with Sunday All-Star, they have 4 different teams, right?
Yes,
So,
tama.
hopefully, makita ka namin doon.
Hey, Julian!
Every Sunday. Gusto nyo ba siyang makita sa... Of course! With all the love that these guys are giving to you, of course, maraming gusto mapala sa'yo. So anyways, ngayon ang gagawin natin, I was just prompt by James right over there, magkakaroon tayo ng mabilis na game. Okay?